Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can unblock someone on Snapchat and again add them back. So firstly open up your Snapchat. Then firstly, if you have blocked someone, you have to firstly unblock them. So for doing that, go to a profile at the top left corner, then go to the settings at the top right corner. Now scroll down and click on blocked. Make sure to unblock the person which you are trying to add again. So to unblock a person, just simply press on the X button or the cut button at the right hand side and then press yes. Now there are two methods in which you can re-add your friend. So just go back to your profile and now click on add friends. Now what you can do is you can search for your friend at the find friend option by their username. So this is the first method, how you can find your friend and re-add them. And the second method is, if your friend is added in your contacts, just click on all contacts and then search your friend. Once you find him, just simply click on add and then your friend will be again added to your account. So that's it. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.